Okay, so in Linux, tar command is called just like tape archive, right? So what is the use of this tar command? So tar command is used for the compression. Compression means it will create a compressed document if you want to add any folder, just like zip folder in Windows. If we need any just like compressed folder, what we do, we create a zip file, right? So in Linux, we have a tar file which you can use to compress or store any data in you can say compressed format, right? So for example, let's suppose we have a du-sh and opt folder. So in opt, see how much data is there, 4.2. So let's see which folder is uh, big, right? So we have one folder GitLab, right? And one is LAMP, right? So let's compress this GitLab and see how much space it will consume. So how you can compress and how you can take a backup of this GitLab? So you have to use star space C, C for create, Z is a compressed type, Z, right? X, sorry, CZVF. If you want to use V will show you all the process which which you will use, means it will show you all the output in a verbose method. Means you can simply how many file are getting added in the tar file, right? F for file. And after that, you have to give any name, git, any name, right? You can give any name, gitlab dot, right, tar dot gz. So why we have to use tar dot gz? Why we are not using tar? Because we have defined here z, right? If you just wanted to create a tar, you can remove this z and also you can use like this, right? So tar dot gz is the most compressed format you can say, right? And after that, you have to give location for which folder you want to take a right tar, right? Just like we are going to use opt and then gitlab. So this folder we are going to compress. So let's run it and see. So see, its compression is started and it's compressing that complete folder, right? And it will create a tar file where you can simply store your complete backup. Okay, so it will take some time, so let's wait and so that this command can be completed. It's a 3 point some GB, so maybe it can take 1 to 2 minutes or 3 minutes to get completed. Okay, and also if you want to take a multiple files in single tar, you can do that too. That you have to define in the command, right? Okay, so it's about to complete. Okay, so see the file size was big, so that's why it's taking time. But always remember, when you create any backup through tar, make sure you have enough space on your system to store that new file, right? So when you compress it, it's take almost 3 times space on the system. So let's suppose you want to compress a file size of 10 GB. So you should have a free space on, minimum uh, 20 or 30, all right? 20, 30, not 20, 30 means 2 times, right? 2 times means if you are compressing file 10 GB, you should have a space 20 GB on the free space on the system, right? So for, during the creation, when it get created, that will delete the temporary file. So let's see here, we have this folder file created. So let's see the size of this file. GitLab, see how much size is, it's only 1.4 GB, but the folder which we have compress, what is the size of that folder? See, what is the size? Is 3.3 GB. Almost it compress 70%, right? 70% file it compress. So you can use tar and then you can compress. And let's suppose now tar hyphen cz vf, and let's suppose you not using v and you just wanted to add this a dot uh, backup dot tar dot gz, and you can define a dot sh file check dot sh for dot sh want all this script you want to add inside this file. So what you can do, you can run this command and you can see one backup tar is created. So let's suppose I'm just going to delete all this file, right? So rm star.sh. So it's deleted, right? So let's see, all these file are deleted. So how we can extract it? So to extract tar file, you have to use tar space, right? ZXVF, right? So you have to use, to extract, you have to use X, to create, you have to use C. Rest option will be same, right? So backup.tar and just extract and see the difference. See, all file again came on the right place. How? Because all this file came back restored from this backup folder or the sorry, backup tar. Okay. So this is how you can simply tar or untar any file and folders, right? So how you can tar space options, right? Options and space that file name means tar file name space location from where you want to compress. Okay. Okay. So let's suppose here I just don't want to extract all this file in my current directory, right? Just like here, rm hyphen f star.sh, right? So see, there is no sh file. So I just wanted to write extract all this file where inside this mnt folder. So in that case, what I will do, I have to use star hyphen zxvf space hyphen capital C and then the location where I just wanted to extract, right? And let's see in mnt, and you will see all the file are extracted in the mnt folder, right? So you can also define the path where you want to extract. Okay. Okay, great. So I hope it will help you to complete your day-to-day task. Thanks.